Hi and welcome! It's December 10th and it's time for another video from me, Scrapping Orca. And it's time to open the die from Rock Stamp and see what it brings out today. Ooh! Oh! See how this flower gets. Oops. Some paper. What is that? This was really cute. I'm gonna remove all the leftovers, even though I think you can use them. And let's do some stamping. And as usual, Jessink. Other things today. So let's just stamp them. See what the other words is. Circle says Facebook and SMS slänger i väggen. Här kommer ett riktigt ljudkort. Här kommer ett riktigt ljudkort, inget digitalt tjafs. Då ska vi se. Let's see what these says. So that text and that text is the same, and that text and that text is the same, and this one is handgjort är bäst. Handmade is the best. And the bottom line of these texts is a real Christmas card is real, and things on Facebook and text messages or Messenger is just like, it's not for real, it's false. So, and let's see what Reprint brings us. I'm saving all the stars here. Now we got 10 stars. Nice. Oh, we got ourselves some balloons. Could have stamped that better, but yeah. So let's start with this one. This one is a die from Rock Stamp. It's super cute die. Very nice, very nice. And here's some text. This one is from Jessink. It's like you're mocking people sending texts and Facebook messages on Christmas. Saying, here's a real one. You keep sending those Facebook messages, but this is the real deal. And the last text here is handmade is the best. And the stamp from Reprint, bunch of balloons. Very nice. Very Very nice. Hope to see you tomorrow. Yeah, on the 11th of December. So, bye.